If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! So good day guys! Ngayon mag-open tayo ng package from PSA again. Ginawa kong mirror. Tanggal. So this one is batch 43 I think or 44. Around that batch na tayo guys. Kaya ayan. One and two. Domestic shipping. Let's go. Hindi naman ako makikita. Yan. Unahin natin to guys. Ay my god. Hirap pala pag dalawang camera no. You know what? Ibayin na natin. So first box guys. In-unbox ko na yung isang box eh. So ito muna. Grabe overexposed. Madumi lang. Feeling ko madumi lang to eh. Punasan muna natin. So, di ba madumi lang? Ay, tsanggala. Okay. Alright. And then the next one. Alright. Siyempre, umpisa na natin dito sa isang card. Dumi na naman eh. May gas-gas. Dumi lang. One silver ay tawag dito Arceus Crown Zenith. Next one si Giratina PSA 9, Charizard PSA 10, Dialga PSA 10, Captain Pikachu PSA 10, Gengar Chinese PSA 10, and Marshadow PSA 10, Chinese Pikachu Electric X, Pokemon, Volkswagen guys, Volkswagen, and Kanzawa PSA 10. Next one, we got Marshadow PSA 10. Next, Oshawott PSA 8, Gumshoos PSA 9, Palkia PSA 9, Lieutenant Surge Bargain PSA 9. So if you're interested in grading your cards guys, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or you can drop off your cards at Cafe Manaya. Ready game start here in Tarlac. So Magikarp Art Rare Korean PSA 10, Vulpix PSA 10, Dawn PSA 10, Charizard PSA 9, Scizor PSA 8, another Magikarp PSA 10, Chinese Sylveon PSA 10. Maganda yung mga Chinese kasi sila lang may ganun sa Korean Green Ninja PSA 10. Next, Mega Gardevoir PSA 10. Next one, Lily's Determination PSA 10. Bulbasaur PSA 10. Hindi yan yung stamp. Tapos Detective Pikachu PSA 10. Gardevoir PSA 9. And Spearow PSA 10. And Mega Kangaskhan PSA 10. So yun lang guys for this batch. So if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kel Santos or scan the QR above. Peace.